Yeah, going on a little walk again, right, Jimmy? Yeah. Ooh.
Stars over Amsterdam.
Yep, we're gonna get Oliebollen, New Year's Eve. And also some apple beignets. Alright, got them. Now let's see if Leo's here for some good New Year's Eve lunch. Yep, Leo's here. Oh wait. It's still all Christmassy here. Yeah. As always.
Zonder dat je het vraagt, hè?
Ziet wat er allemaal grond ligt gegooid. Maar die van jou hangt dan. Die hangt hier niet tussen.
Samen thuis.
Oeh, chibi. Sausage. Liver sausage. But that's good. Here. Itadakimasu. Yep, that was all very good. Still nice and Christmassy in the mall. Back at HQ, and look at that little tired doggy. She even still got her little harness on. That's how tired she is. Cutie. I had planned to go to downtown Amsterdam in the evening, because that would have been nice, of course. But yeah, the situation with my ears does not really allow me being in much smoke and all the fumes that come with the fireworks lighting, yeah, which will be very dense in the downtown Amsterdam, of course. Yeah, that also means I'm not going down on the streets during midnight, and I'll just be here together with Cutie. Yeah. Ik doe mezelf een lol en eet een oliebol. Toch, Chips? Yeah. Time for a traditional oliebol on New Year's Eve. With powdered sugar, of course. And Chibi is looking like she could also use an oliebol. Well, my phone just glitched. And apparently, according to the phone, it's already New Year's. Even though it's still... yeah, slightly less than an hour to go. Curious. Hey, cutie. What's up? What's up? You can tell me. What's up, Chips? Huh? Oh. Just lying around. Okay, enjoy. Happy New Year, guys! Here's some fireworks for ya. See you tomorrow. Cheerio.